The Flowmaster Pro Series 3-inch is a high-quality performance exhaust system designed for a variety of vehicles, including diesel vehicles. It features a mandrel bend tubing which ensures a smooth and unrestricted flow of exhaust gases that can deliver dyno-proven performance gains of up to 25 horsepower. The high-flow muffler system reduces back pressure and improves exhaust flow, producing a deeper tone, providing a moderate exterior sound but a minimal interior sound, making the driving experience very pleasant while still allowing you to notice the power of your vehicle. The entire system is made of durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability. Overall, the Flowmaster Pro Series is a high-quality exhaust system that can significantly improve the performance and sound of your vehicle.